You guys looking for a 3-2 home close to Lackland Air Force Base in SeaWorld? This is it, guys. This address is 2114 Opelousas Trail in San Antonio 78214, located in the Laurel Mountain Ranch neighborhood, right off of Highway 1604 between Potranco Road and Marbach Road. Let's go ahead and get in here, guys. This house was built in 2006. It is 1,700 square feet, and it's a 3-2. You guys can see we have a 2-car garage and a brick entrance here. The roof is fairly new, must be original, but looks very good condition. All right, it's a storm door located here, guys. When we get in, and get into this beautiful home. All right, so as we walk in, we're greeted by some wood floor, contrast to the tile that's here. We're greeted by this wooden floor. It's a living room. On the right, we have an office, which could be study or an office. You came in through there, and we have the rooms on the other side. Let me go ahead and give you guys a feel of the living room. We have here the master's is back there to that wall, to that doorway, I'm sorry, and back here we have the other 2 rooms. So let's get in here. Right, 2-car garage, as we mentioned. They have their stuff in this one, some cars, so it's not as visible, right? But 2-car garage, guys, there it is. Right, we walk down this way, we have both rooms and their half bath that they share. This is room number 1. No ceiling fans in this room. It's carpeted, and it has a very good sized closet. Right, this house is 1,700 square feet. Again, we're located just minutes away, Highway 90 and 1604. Right, this is the restroom that is shared by these 2 rooms. Just a standard restroom, full bath. And then we have here our 3rd room. This one does have ceiling fans in it, and it does have a little bit more furniture in here, so you guys get a feel for it. As far as the closet, let's check it out. You guys can see it's a good sized closet, some height in there, and everything organized fits. All right, guys, let's go check out the kitchen and the master bedroom. Plus the outside, they did a lot of beautiful stonework outside. I'll show you that as well. All right, guys, this is our kitchen here. The house is priced at $257,000. Make us an offer is what they have on their paperwork, guys. So if you like it, if you think you have some potential for this, let's go ahead and make them an offer. I can help. Right, ceilings, kitchen. Right, 30-inch cabinets, oak cabinets, doors. Has a little bit farther in here with more storage space. It comes with the stainless steel refrigerator and the stove plus the dishwasher. All right, guys, we go in here and we have the master bedroom. All right, 2 large windows. The sun hits from the back in the mornings. It's around 9:30 in the morning on May 23rd, 2023. And this is what our master bedroom looks like. This one has a ceiling fan and carpet. It's a nice sized room. It has that shape in the front that gives it option, but here's a closet. And back here is your full bath. You have a double sink. You guys can see it's split back here so you can still be used. You have your toilet, your garden tub with a window, and then your shower here, guys. Speaking of that window that goes outside, let me show you guys the backyard. They went ahead and put stone and concrete on most of the backyard. It looks very nice. It does have a pantry and a washer and dryer room. Here's your pantry, washer and dryer. And in that door over there is a coat closet. I'll get to that when you guys want to see it, but check out this backyard. It's all stone, and pretty much goes like that all around the whole property. You guys can see it go down that way. It goes down here. I'll show you this in too, guys. So back here, it goes all the way to the bottom, a little bit of grass. That is the house. Again, the roof looks in good condition. Doesn't look old, doesn't look damaged. And look what they did down this side of the house too, guys. Patios all the way across. And that way, there's not a lot of grass to cut. And it's good for entertaining. Alright guys, if you guys are looking for homes close to Lakeland Air Force Base, close to SeaWorld, close to Highway 151, Alamo Ranch, this is it guys. Let me know how I can help.